Hello my people, in today's program I will show us how we can actually establish what we call the Pascal's triangle, aka the pyramid formula, or the Pascal's triangular formula. Actually it was developed, by a French mathematician called Blaise Pascal. Okay, so it's a very simple thing. It's just a triangle of numbers, all right? A triangle made of numbers. Okay, it is just exactly the same as that of a pyramid of the Egyptian people. All right, so how do we do it? The first step is for us to actually develop what we call a pyramid of what? One. A pyramid of what? Unity. Once you hear unity, know that what we mean there is what? One. All right, unity means what? One. So now establish a pyramid of what? One, or unity. And when we say pyramid in Egypt, there is what we call pyramid, okay, which is just a triangle. All right, have you seen the vertex? The highest point here, point and point, 3 points. Okay, so now I am told what we have to do first is to establish a pyramid of what? Unity, which is one. Now doing that, one should be, we should come here, here, and what? Here. This is what we call the pyramid of what? One. But now let me clean this to do it well. All right, so now establish a pyramid of unity, which is you write one at the vertex, one here at the left hand side, one at the right hand side. All right, now how do I do that? There are invisible zeros here. That 0 plus 1 here is 1. This 1 plus 0 here is what? 1. So that just it, okay? You don't need to write those zeros, okay? But at each row of a Pascal's triangle, there are 0 at both sides, okay? But they are invisible. You don't write them, all right? So now this is a pyramid of what? Unity. Now to establish this term here, 1 plus 1 gives me 2, all right? Again, I told you there are zeros, okay? But you can say, bring down this one here and bring down this one here, all right? Okay, but how do we got this one here? There is 0 here. 0 plus 1 is 0, is 1 here. There is 0 here. 0 plus 1 here is what? 1. So, when I say you don't write those zeros, okay? Again, here, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. You bring down 1 and what? Bring down 1. Do you see how the triangular formula is expanding? Okay? Again, 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. You bring down 1 here and 1 here. Do you see it? Okay? Again, because we don't have space, I think we should stop after this one now. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 5. Then you bring down 1 here and 1 here. So there is no space again. If not, I should be going, all right? You can expand that to infinity. It is actually infinite, all right? So actually it shows that what we have here is s plus what? B, or reciprocal what? 5. That is the binomial itself, okay? Now, here is what we call the zeroth row, okay? Here is zeroth row. Why? In indices, we say that any number that is raised to 0 or any letter that is raised to the power 0 is what? Unity. Okay, so this is what we call the zeroth row. It shows that x plus b raised to the power 5, s plus b raised to the power what? 0. At this juncture is what? 1. Unity. That just it. Okay, so again, this is the first row. Okay, that is the first row. That is row 1. Okay, now this 1 1 are the coefficients of what? This s plus what? B. Actually, I'm not teaching how we can what? Expand a binomial. I will teach that in subsequent videos. I only showed how we can establish or create the triangular formula or Blaise Pascal's pyramid formula. Okay, so this is the second row, third row, fourth row, and the fifth row. So this fifth now, suppose like this question go this way, we should expand s plus b raised to the power what? 5. Okay, the elements or the entries that we are to use from this Blaise Pascal's triangle are the elements of the fifth row. All right, because the power of this binomial is showing 5. So it is elements from the fifth row that we can use to what? Find the the binomial expansion or the coefficient of what this x plus b always equal what 5. It's a very simple thing and it's very fun, to deal with. Okay, hope you found this helpful. In my next video, I will still be treating things that will get you so interesting. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page. Comment your opinion. Thank you for watching.